Well, Chris Bach, we were out of breath. Fantastic night for Bob Marek. Even though it's a 2-2, we win on penalties in the Welsh Cup and still in the hat and ready for round 2 of the Welsh Cup.
Yeah, obviously it was a bit of a different experience today to the weekend. I held my own hands up about some of the decisions I made in terms of the game plan and some personnel that I maybe shouldn't have left out, but I like to give people a chance in the cup competitions. But after the way the weekend went and we got out of jail a little bit, the heavens helped us out. It was about going back to our full strength team tonight and our normal game plan. And I've got to say, I think Denbigh are a top side. They're one of the better teams in tier 2. So to go toe to toe with them like we did tonight, because I don't think there was anything in the game either end. I think we had equal amount of chances. So to go toe to toe with them, they maybe had a little bit more territory at times. I couldn't be prouder of the lads, to be honest with you.
It was a great game of football. Plenty of good, skillful play and movements as well. 2-1 down with seconds to go. Your thoughts, Chris? What was going through your head?
Yeah, I mean, I thought we were really unlucky to concede the goal the way we did. So obviously, I threw Griff John forward, and the next phase of play, we've thrown a long ball into the box, and he's managed to get the equaliser for us. But I think it'd have been so harsh if we were to lose the game 2-1 in the dying seconds like that. I mean, I mentioned about the weekend as well. After everything I've said there about the game plan and stuff like that, if you actually go and watch that first half, we had as many clear-cut chances as them. We just didn't take any of ours, and they took all of theirs. So we put that right tonight. We were clinical with the opportunities that we did have.
Went to penalties, some great penalties, and then came down to Josh Cook, the goalie, to score, and then they missed the penalty.
Yeah.
Great night, and plenty of people behind the goal as well to support the lads.
Well, it's obviously a lottery when it goes to penalties, and we were unlucky earlier on in another cup competition, but the luck's been shining on us tonight because I think we thoroughly deserved it at the end. The amount of effort that the lads have put into to have that little bit of luck and then go and win the shootout the way we did.
Get a good draw now at home when the draw comes out. Look forward to it.